driving school near me, driving lesson near me. All right, this has been here with Pierre driving school here. We're doing a lesson here today, a few stuff that you may want to consider as you're doing your road test here in Brooklyn. All right, so we located in the Brooklyn area. We definitely can help you with all your driving endeavor if you need our assistance. All right, so first of all, always remember that driving requires some showing responsibility. So the decision that you make matter. Not only that you won't be able to pass your road test, that's okay, but the real lesson, however, starting right after you pass your road test, that's when the real business coming in. So that's when we have to train to be able to handle that. You see, I'm putting out here, I'm putting out to the left, I'm making sure that I'm approaching this as if I would approaching a stop sign, because the green is heavy and traffic is coming heavy. I cannot go in the street. I'm paying attention in both directions, mainly your your danger zone, which is to the left, because as I'm going out here, the first place I will get hit if I continue to drive is on my left side. See, traffic got jammed. Okay, guys here pulled up, thank you so much, thank you. And you see, I'm sticking out my head to make sure that if I get some clarity here. Thank you, boss. Okay, all right, see, it's coming in tight here. I'm gonna pull up the fast one here, do a little bit reversing. Good, 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 and bring it back better. All right, good. All right, folks, now we're making a left turn here as this traffic light coming up. Okay, a lot of complications, but we can handle it. All right, so these are the things that as you're gonna start driving by yourself, you're gonna be encountered every single day. You have to be on top of them so when they occur, because you always have to expect unexpected. All right, so these are driving school near me. If you're in a nearby area here in Brooklyn, New York, we definitely can help you. You can look us up, pierrepauldraiving.com. We pull into the middle, okay, for the middle of the street, and the course traffic as the right of way. When my front bumper is aligned to my left, to the line on my left side, then that's when I will go ahead and make my turn. No rush, waiting here for clearance. You cannot proceed until you get your full clearance, okay? Mirror left, shoulder left, then I'm gonna go through with my turn and fall to my closest left lane. And in this sense, it's a one-lane street here. We keep right in the middle. All right, we're gonna continue to go here. As we're driving, we keep both hands on the steering wheel, 9 and 3. Okay, in the event that we have to signaling, use the wiper. Everything is in good shape. All right. If you have any question you want me to answer, put in the comment below. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, do that, so each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. If you know anybody that can benefit from this content, share it with them, because as you share that with a person, you help them to get the license. The license is a big thing you can do for anybody, because getting your license can enhance your life one way or another. All right, so this driving school near me here, we're gonna do a few more left and right as we're already doing. At this light coming up here, we're making a right turn. We signal to the right, mirror right, shoulder right. We can come into the bus lane where it's dotted. You see, I come in where it's dotted, not sooner than that. Where it's dotted, that's when you're allowed to come in. And I'm making mirror right, shoulder right again, make my right turn and fall right into my lane. If you guys notice, each time I'm turning, making sure that I'm checking mirrors and shoulders, folks. Please, 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 please. Check your mirrors and shoulders out all the time as you're taking your road test, because it will not work in your favor by not doing those things. When you stop, make sure we can see the tire of the car in front of us touching the ground, same distance as we driving. At the light coming up, we're making a left turn. Signal the left, we're gonna pull to the middle for the cross traffic to clear. Nothing changes. Okay, traffic on the block has to clear, or the light has to clear, either way. Mirror left, shoulder left, and make the turn fall where? To the closest left lane. Now it's a one-way street, it's a one-way road with two-lane traffic. What is there for me to do by myself? Signal right, mirror right, shoulder right, and move over to my right. Okay? Why is that? Student, for the purpose of the road test, must always keep the right side of the road. Okay? And from there we continue to go within the same pace. Okay? Good. Paying attention with everything that coming around, because we do have to pay attention to them. Otherwise, we be in shock, and we're not looking to be in shock, because we can control how we stop, how we drive. Those things we have control over, we make sure that we're on top of them. Those that are inevitable, we go to them as they're coming along. Okay? Traffic is flowing. I'm flowing right along with the traffic. You don't want to be driving too slow, nor driving too fast. You're falling right within the speed limit that you're supposed to be driving, all right? The driving school near me lesson. So if you're around those booking area, we definitely can help you. Check out pierrepauldraiving.com. You can leave us a comment of anything that you want us to do in particular. If you live here in the US, let me know where did you do your wood test. All right, if you do your wood test here in the state, where did you do your wood test and how many times did you take it, okay? So any question, put in the comment, any concern, anything you want us to cover in particular, we will be more than happy to do so. Because here what we do, we make sure that we, not only that we train you to pass your wood test, but as well to be safe. When you go and do it and start driving, you feel confident, then you know what you're doing. Because it's very sad, we've seen many people with their licenses cannot even move their car from here to there, but although they get the license in a while, but if you were trained the right way for you to be able to drive right after, it should not be a problem, all right? So here's what we do here at Pierre Paul Driving School. Most of our students, we're making sure that we train them to the best of our ability. So after they're done, they build some confidence. They can pass their test and they can take the test and pass with flying colors. Nervous student, beginner student, you are welcome, all right? Because we understand at some point you're gonna get nervous. That's due to a lack of trainings, lack of confidence. We'll help you build that, all right? We'll help you build that so you can take your wood test here with no issue, all right, folks? Those are the things that we want you to do here at Pierre Paul Driving School. We will help you to do at Pierre Paul Driving School to achieve for you, not only to be safe, confident, and be able to pass your wood test with no issue. Traffic is building up. As you guys can see, traffic getting tight. Okay, we move right along within the traffic and do what we're supposed to do, all right? I see a car double park on my right side. I'm not even worried about it because I'm here on my left side, so I'm not worried too much. But I'm paying attention for anybody that's jumping out. That's a strong possibility. They're jumping out already. Yeah, those are the things that we pay attention on the regular to avoid those problems. See what I'm saying? The traffic light here, we're making a right turn. Signal the turn. We're gonna do mirror right, shoulder right, and go through with that turn and follow in. Right into our lane, you see? Nice and smooth, nothing heavy. I already see the bus here parked ahead. What are we gonna do? We're gonna make sure that we drive nice and smooth. We're making a right turn at this traffic light here. Okay, mirror right. I see the humans here. You see what we do? We stop to let the human clear from curve to curve with test tips. Clear from curve to curve. Then you verify mirror right, shoulder right. Then we continue to drive. So what's going on here, folks? These are the level we wanted to deliver as we're doing our the road test, okay? This is the level we wanted to deliver. You don't want to do anything extra because it's not going to take you nowhere but make you fail the test. We're making a right turn here. Mirror right, shoulder right, making the turn. As you guys can see how much I'm observing the turn, and we do a push and pull method, or push and pull, or yes, or hands over hands. Either way, as long as you're not driving like this, or on the hill, on the hand, or with chilling with one hand, you're good to go. All right. Leave the distance ahead so the car in front of us can, see the tire of the car in front of us with no issue. If you cannot see the tire, we follow too closely. All right, things that we do not need. Rolling up nice and smooth. Traffic is building, we're moving right along. I'm falling back here, make sure the intersection is clear. Is it clear? Yes, then I'm approaching. Never roll up at the intersection if you see that you don't have full clearance, okay? Counting the light here, we're looking pretty good. We have enough time to clear the light. We're gonna make the turn fall to the closest right lane and out of the bus lane, okay? And out of the bus lane, all right? Here we go, folks. I'm gonna make a right turn here. I'm gonna signal to my right, bring the car in, mirror right, shoulder right, because I'm making a right turn here. All right, right shoulder right, make my right turn. See, I'm coming without a cushion. Good. Okay, making a left turn here. All right, nice and smooth. Folks, these are the level we wanted to be able to deliver. All right, This has been here with Pierre Driving School. Until then, keep practicing, folks. Take care. Until then, keep practicing, folks. This has been here with Pierre Driving School. Take care. Bye-bye.